This is the UPlays J3 Portable Gaming Monitor, a 1440p monitor with complete sRGB color coverage, and surprisingly, it also happens to have a VESA mount. We mean, how often do you see VESA mount in portable displays? This one even has the potential for creating a minimal gaming setup by letting go of cable clutter and huge space requirements. Let's just do the unboxing and put it to the test to figure out what it's actually capable of. So here's the box. Looks minimal and has a subtle UPERFECT branding on top. Inside of it is another tiny box with the power brick followed by a USB-C to USB-A cable, an HDMI, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and the user manual. Let's just take the monitor out. We appreciate that there's two styrofoam shell on each side that is meant to protect the monitor. Let's take them off as well. And there it is. The monitor itself, which is securely wrapped in a folio cover and does feel fairly lightweight too. Now that we have seen what's inside the package, let's look closer at the design and its internal specs. The monitor itself looks good as it comes with a 17.3-inch matte screen which has an anti-glare and anti-fingerprint coating. And as we hold it, its lightweight build is easily noticeable. The monitor appears fairly thin, which is quite impressive given it has a VESA mount on the back. As mentioned earlier, we rarely see VESA connectors in portable monitors like this, so this is a nice addition. Apart from that, the monitor also has two USB Type-C ports, an HDMI along with one micro USB-B port, and one 3.5mm audio jack. This USB-C interface is quite welcoming as there is no need to worry about additional cable mess. And then there is the smart black sleeve. This protective folio cover is made of durable PU leather, which honestly does feel firm yet thin, and it even works as a stand, which is also a plus. As for the display, it features 2K resolution with 100% sRGB color gamut, including 60Hz of refresh rate and 3 to 5 milliseconds of response time, which is pretty good for a portable gaming monitor. On top of that, it also has FreeSync and HDR, so let's just test them out. For the test, we're going to pair this one up with this Ryzen 5600U mini PC. Most gaming handheld on the market uses a similar APU like this, so if we were to pair this one up with a handheld, we would get a similar result in terms of gaming. It did perform well and managed to keep the 1440p gaming up to the mark with surprisingly great color accuracy thanks to the complete sRGB coverage, which looks visually pleasing in open world games. While the 60Hz of refresh rate wasn't that good for competitive games, it was just about right for open world single player titles such as RDR2. Most gamers lock to 60Hz anyways when it comes to open world games for a more cinematic experience. Talking about open world games, the details appear sharper and colors vivid thanks to the 1440p panel and HDR combo. The response time was up to the mark too, and the FreeSync did its job as we barely noticed any screen tearing. Other than that, we also tested it out to do other tasks such as video editing, watching movies, and videos with our MacBook, which also seemed to perform quite well during our tests. And as you can see, the matte screen with anti-glare coating is less reflective but takes a little toll on the quality. Also, the built-in dual stereo speakers produce decent audio quality. Here, listen to it for yourself. Apart from mini gaming PC and laptops, we have tested it with our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in DeX mode. The result? A portable desktop-like experience which got even better thanks to its OTG support. We were able to connect our mouse and keyboard with the phone to the display and it performed well. We also played some mobile games which went smooth. The OSD menu was really helpful for color customization and setting up custom presets that made the entire user experience feel more personalized. So, is the UPlays J3 portable monitor worth considering? Honestly, it did live up to the expectations. Not only it has plenty of features for gaming, its potential as a secondary monitor for productivity was outright impressive. During our usage, we did not see any kind of screen flickering or brightness issues and would definitely recommend it to anyone searching for a good portable gaming monitor. So, that was all about our review of UPlays J3 portable gaming monitor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.